My name is Kachitsa Bauleni. I'm 19 years old. I'm actually studying Human Resource Management at Lilongwe Technical College. At the same time, I own a cosmetic shop. I can say I'm into business as well. Well, I am hardworking. I am courageous. I'm friendly. And most of all, I'm patriotic. Well, I can say I love to inspire people. So I knew that with the clown, I would do greater things that would keep inspiring people. So that is what made me join Miss Malawi. Well, I don't look down on myself. I believe in my dreams, and I know I have all that takes me to be here. There are quite a few things that are contributing to high population growth. You're talking about people not following family planning, people indulging themselves in early marriages, and probably poverty, like people don't have funds to make them go back to school, like once they pass primary level. Yeah, so if I would win Miss Malawi, it's all about encouraging the girl child to not to get married at a tender age, focus on school. And if they don't have enough money to go back to school, working hand in hand with the NGOs, the government, they should fund for them to go back to school. Even for them that have kids and then they had to drop out of school for that, who would take care of the kids, what? They still need to go back to school. Getting married is not their option.